Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our Duramax diesel engine, Z71 off-road package and LT package, four-wheel drive and rear tonneau cover. We also have our rear privacy tint, sunroof, backup camera, heated and cooled leather seats, and heated steering wheel. Now moving on to the interior of the Silverado. On our door panel we can see our memory seat option above our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in option. Below that is our Bose speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And off to the left of the steering wheel we have our trailer brake, as well as our four-wheel drive and lighting controls. Our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, infotainment screen with backup camera, as well as projection for our phone. Below that we have our radio controls, CD player, as well as our heated and cooled seat options for driver and passenger, dual zone climate control, and vehicle controls underneath. Charging outlets, storage, two cup holders, padded leather center console lid with wireless charging pad, and then the front seats are featured in black leather with perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. Our OnStar controls on our rear view mirror, and above that we have our reading lights, sunglass holder, and sunroof. Back onto the exterior we can see our Duramax diesel badging in chrome, as well as our Z71 badging and alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have our chrome mirror caps and door handles, chrome running boards, and rear privacy tint. Round to the back we have our paint matched rear bumper with side steps. Then we have our hitch underneath, LTZ and Silverado badging in chrome, blacked out Chevrolet badge. We have those on the front as well. Right now it's just covered by that bib. Then we have our full hard tonneau cover. Onto the rear interior now, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our rear charging outlet and storage. The back seats are featured with a 60-40 split, so we can fold it down for more storage. And at center console with armrest and two cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.